Okay, so for today's assignment, you're going to look at on this first page is you're going to just determine which formula would you use based on the information that's given. So here are the two formulas, C equals 2 pi radius, or 2 times pi times radius, or C equals pi times diameter. So let's look at the first question. A circular tablecloth needs fabric to go around the outside of the circle. Keyword, to go around. So we're looking at the perimeter, and then the other one is the outside of the circle. If the radius is given, what would be the length that you would need? First thing that I want you to do is I want you to draw a circle. This is what's given. You don't know the dimension, but you're going to just write down what's given. And you're going to put a question mark here because this is what you're looking for. That's the circumference. Okay? So now that you know that the radius is given and you need to find the circumference, which one of these equations would fit this story? Absolutely right, because this one has radius. So you're going to write C equals 2 pi. You can just draw your line like that, and R. Okay? Question 2. Write the formula that you would use to find the circumference if the information was given. So what is this called? Very good. It's a diameter. Please make sure that you label it. So now it'd be C equals pi times D. Let's go to the next one. The length from one point of a circle through the center of the other end of the circle is given on a circle. Is given on a circle. Which formula would you use to find the circumference? So we're looking at the length of one point of a circle through the center to the other end. So I'm going to draw my circle. 1 point from one end. Here's my center. It says that it's through the center to the other end. So what did I just draw? Very good, the diameter. So that's what's given. So which one am I going to use? Very good. C equals pi times diameter. And you can write it that way so that you can remember that that's what you're doing. The next one, write the formula that you would use to find the circumference if the following information was given. Okay, what is this? Very good, it's the radius. What would be the formula? Excellent. C equals pi times R. All right. The next one. A family decided to put the tile along the rim. Rim is another one for perimeter or the outside of their circular pool. If the radius of the pool was given, okay, so the radius is given, what would be the formula to find the circumference? Okay, so I'm just going to draw the circle to show me the pool. It says the radius, so I'm going to draw my line and label. And I want you to write which formula would that be. The next one. And pause it at any time, right? A bicycle wheel is getting a new tire. If the diameter is given, which formula would you use to find the circumference? Again, I'm going to draw my circle. I'm going to represent my diameter. I'm going to label. Which formula would you write? Which one of these would you select? Okay, next one. If the circumference was given, okay, now we're looking at that the circumference is given in the problem, and you were asked to find the radius, which formula would you write to find the radius? So I'm going to draw this around. Circumference is given, and I need to find the radius. Okay, which formula would you use? Which is the one that has the radius, and then the circumference is given. So write down the formula for this problem. And this last one here, 8, write the formula that you would use to find the circumference if the information is given. What's given is the diameter. So what is the formula?